Hello students, I extend my warm welcome to you all. The numbers play a very important role in our daily life. We use numbers to count, measure, compare and order things. We can order the things in increasing or decreasing fashion. So students, welcome to part 3 of chapter number and numeration. In today's lecture, we will discuss exercise 1.5. But before that, I would like to introduce you to two concepts on which this exercise is based. So let's begin. So first of all, let us discuss concept 1. This is based on comparison between two numbers. What is comparison or what is meant by comparison? When do you compare two numbers? You compare two numbers in order to check whether the first number is smaller than, greater than or equal to second number or not. So let's read. When we compare two numbers, we check whether the first number is greater than, less than or equal to the second number or not. For example, I have taken two numbers here, 253 and 562. So first rule, let us recall our first rule. What was that? You have to compare or you have to check the number of digits in each number. This is a 3-digit number. This is also a 3-digit number. That means number of digits are same. Now, what is the second rule? Second rule says that you have to compare the first digit from extreme left of each number. Here this is 2. Here this is 5. That means 5 is greater than 2. This means that 562 is greater than 253. That means this greater than sign will face towards 562. Remember one thing, that whichever number is greater, this sign will face towards the greater number. I hope you have understood. Now let us discuss concept 2. This is based on ascending and descending order. So let's recall ascending order. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the largest number, this placement or this arrangement is known as ascending order. You can see one example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So what do you notice in these numbers? These numbers are placed in increasing order. That means the first number being 2, which is the smallest in these numbers, being placed at the first position, and 13 being the largest number is placed in the end. So this arrangement or this order is known as ascending order from smallest to largest. Let us discuss descending order. This is just a reverse of ascending order. In descending order, when numbers are arranged from largest to the smallest number. So again I have taken one example, 25, 20, 17, 12, 3. What do you notice? What trend do you notice in these numbers? Here the largest number being 25 is placed in the front and 3 being the smallest number in these numbers, amongst these numbers, is placed in the end. So this placement or this arrangement of numbers from largest in the front to the smallest in the end is known as descending order. The placement of numbers from largest to smallest. Understood? Now let us start our exercise 1.5 of chapter number and numeration. Question number 1 is insert signs greater than, less than or equal to in the blanks. Now again I have taken two numbers in the first part, 5234, 4432. Now first rule is that you have to compare or you have to check the number of digits in each number. This is a 4-digit number. This is also a 4-digit number. That means number of digits are same. Now second rule says that you have to compare the first digit from the extreme left in each number. Here this is 5. Here it is 4. That means 5 is bigger than 4. So this sign will face towards 5234, which means 5234 is greater than 4432. I hope you have understood. Now B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These paths you will try on your own. Okay, let's discuss this one orally. These two numbers are same, 1888, 1888. So which sign you will use amongst these? That means equal to sign. So 1888 is equal to 1888. Understood? Now let us discuss second question. Circle the greatest number and cross out the smallest number in each of the following. So what do you have to do? In this question, you have to circle the greatest number. You have to circle the greatest out of all. Whichever number is greatest, you have to circle that. And you have to cross out the smallest number. Whichever number is smallest among these set of numbers, you have to cross out the smallest number. So let's check A part. Some numbers are given to you. Let's see. 4055, 1023, 9087, 4544, 9813, 7076. So in these numbers, first rule is that you have to check the number of digits in each number. This is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also 4-digit number. 4-digit number again. This is also 4-digit number. And the last two numbers are also 4-digit numbers. That means all the numbers are 4-digit. Okay? In this first part. Now, second rule is that you have to compare the first digit from the extreme left in each number. Here this is 4. First locate the greatest number. Okay? Here there is 4. Here it is 1, 9, 4. Then again it is 9 over here. Then 7. Which is the largest 1-digit number? It is 9. So these two numbers are having 9 in the front place. So we will compare these two first. Whenever two digits, the first digit in each number is same. What is the third rule? That you have to shift to the second number starting from extreme left. So here you will compare 0 and here you will compare 8. Which of these is largest? 0 or 8? 8 is greater than 0. That means the largest number is 9813 out of these numbers. Now you have to cross out the smallest number also. So locate which is the smallest number. Again you will go rule wise. First of all you will check for the first digit starting from extreme left. Here there is 4. Here there is 1, 9, 4, 9, 7. That means the smallest out of these is 1. So that means the smallest number is 1023. So you will cross out the smallest number. So you will try B, C and D parts on your own. Understood? Now let us discuss third question. This is about that arrange the following numbers in. So in question 3, you have to arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Let's read first part, A part. 8234, 4789, 1885, 5183. First rule is that you have to check the number of digits in each number. This is a 4-digit number. Again, this is also 4-digit number. This is also 4-digit number and the last one is also a 4-digit number. That means number of digits in each number is same. Second rule is that you have to check the first digit from the extreme left in each number. Here it is 8. Here it is 4. Here it is 1. Here it is 5. So in ascending order, just recall this. What is ascending order? Placement or arrangement of numbers starting from smallest in the front to the largest at the back. So which is the smallest number here? Smallest number from the front. This is 1. So that means you will pick this whole number. 1885 and you will place this in the front, followed by 4789. This is larger than this. Then third place will be occupied by which number? 5183, because this number is greater than 4789, and in the end the largest out of all, which is 8234, will be placed in the end. So this placement or arrangement is known as ascending order. The smallest in the front and the largest in the end. Now, fourth question says that you have to arrange the following numbers in descending order. What is descending order? Placement or the arrangement of numbers starting from largest in the front and smallest in the end. So check in A part. 1358, 5038, 5018, 1885. Now first rule is that you have to check for the number of digits in each number. This is a 4-digit number. Again this is a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number. Again this is also a 4-digit number. That means number of digits are same. Second rule is that you have to check the first digit from the extreme left in each number. Here it is 1, here it is 5, here it is 5, here it is 1. Which is the largest one? It is 5. Second rule is that first digit is same, it is matched. Now shift to the second digit starting from extreme left. Here it is 0, here also it is 0. That means second digit is also matched. Move to third digit starting from extreme left. So 1, 2, 3. Third digit is 3 here and it is 1 here. Which is largest? 3 is greater than 1. That means 5038 will be placed in the front, followed by 5018. Then which is greater out of these two? It is 1885, and in the end the smallest one, that is 1358, will be placed in the end. So this placement or this arrangement of numbers starting from largest in the front to the smallest in the end is known as descending order. So you will do B, C, D and E parts on your own. Similarly here also you will do B, C, D, E parts on your own. The first one are being done for your help. Thank you.